Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about the home screen setting of your device Mi Note 11s. But firstly, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. If you want to change the home screen setting or you want to check the home screen setting of your device Note 11s, Mi Note 11s, you can do it by the way as I'm showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand about the home screen setting of your device. Let's watch the video.